Hey guys, hi, it's me, Angel, your hope dealer and your purpose pusher. Look, the point of this quick video is to let you guys know that I am on the road to 2K. Yes, I am on the road to 2K. My goal as a YouTube influencer is to grow my platform to as many subscribers as I can, guys. Guess what? So look, if you're not connected to me, get that, and my Carter Eats voice. Look, watch my intro video, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. And if you really like the intro, go ahead and apply the sister, and show your sister some love. After all, I am your hope dealer and your purpose pusher. All things are created with you in mind. If you are interested in growing your YouTube channel, if you are interested in learning how to start a YouTube channel and what it takes to maintain a YouTube channel, then go ahead. Or if you just like good information, then this channel is for you. See you guys in YouTube Street. Deuces. Hey guys, I am back. I had to get some tea. And the tea that I am drinking is strawberry and hibiscus. Great value brand. And check out the mug, custom made. Be proud of who you are. Yummy. All right, let's get going. So this video won't be longer than what it need to be. So what I have here is an all-in-one blogging kit, Pro Light and Pro Sound. It was a Christmas gift from my sister, Anointed Child 76, aka Sissy, aka my channel manager. So it's by GPX, and it's actually a vlogging kit. So I'm excited. She's like, "You ain't open that thing yet, girl." Welcome to all my new subscribers, and welcome back to all of the olds. Write a product review and you could win a $150 Visa gift card, whether you love it or not. We want to hear what you think. See instructions on the back. Enter to win. Okay. Well, guess what, y'all? Here is my product review, and guess what? If it allows me to upload a live video on there, then I would do that. We're gonna save this because who can't use $150? You know what I'm saying? So here we go. Of course, instructions. This is the user guide. Oh, cool beans. I could put my camera in here. Not only my camera, my cell phone too. Alright, let's get this thing moving. Let's get it started. Yeah, don't look at my desk. It's a little bit junky. It's a little bit junky. But that's what happened when you work. When you work. When you work. Okay, let me quit cutting up. All right. Ooh, y'all, this has 12 pieces in it. So item number 1. Ooh, look at this. Is what they call a vlogging ring. So you can adjust the camera. That. Of course, we got cords. Let's see if I can help y'all look at my desk a little bit. Little bit. Alright, that's better. Don't worry about looking at me. Don't worry about looking at me. You've seen enough of me. You've seen enough of me. Y'all, that's what I found when I was going through some stuff. A wedding invitation. This is my husband and I wedding invitation. I'm married going on 17 years. It'll be 17 years in June. Oh, this must be the light. This is the light. This is, ooh. Microphone check 1 2. What this is? I am Angel. I'm fitting to rock this, y'all. It's a spider up there. Look, let me tell y'all what I did. I brought a table in from outside that was originally inside. And I thought I sprayed it and I thought I cleaned it well enough. But obviously I didn't. Because spiders are everywhere. I literally kill spiders every day in here. I'm gonna have to get something for it. So if you guys know what's good for spiders, let me know. Oh, this is one of them that's on there. Alright, so all the items are out. Alright guys, I'm back. Y'all know what we do. I went and found some flashlights that had AA batteries in them and borrowed them for the moment. Just for video purposes. So anywho, the light here. There's the light. Ooh. Let me see. That way you can see it better. Check out the light, guys. That is so cool. And there you have it. You have, at the bottom here, again, is the tripod. This you would hold if you were, you know, somebody else was videoing. They call it, number 10, the vlogging ring. Then you have your light, which I think is a pretty bright light. What y'all think? Cool, right? And then, oh yeah, I got a piece of gum. Your microphone. If I was going to use my cell phone, my cell phone, because my phone is a Type-C port and this is a 3.5, I would actually have to use an adapter. So we went and purchased a headset adapter from the AT&T store. I don't have AT&T, I have Verizon, but AT&T was just there. You probably could order it online or get it from Walmart. Ooh! Ooh, 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 y'all look how bright that is. Showing off for me. And look guys, the reason why it's probably doing that, because in one of the flashlights, the batteries were dead. And the other flashlight, the batteries were good. So I put 3 good batteries in a dead battery. But did you literally see that? The brightness on this light is 104 LED. 1800 lumens, ultra bright, dimmable, energy efficient, powered by USB-C port or a 4 AA battery. And the reason why I had to put the batteries in is because it's not hooked to my phone. The power from my phone will be actually driving the power to the light. But did y'all see how bright that got? Look at that. Whoa. Whoa and whoa. There, I have a flashlight on my cell phone, and so does my husband. And guess what? It is brighter than that. Y'all, I'm going to get some stuff done. Look at that. Ooh. Look at the glow. The glow. No. Anyway, guys, I'm excited to play with my new toy. Again, the adapter. If you guys have a new phone, I have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Right, babe? Yes, a Note 10 Plus, and it's a C-type port. So we had to go purchase, what did I do with it? Lord. It ain't in the box. We had to go purchase this to connect it to my phone. So hold on, guys. Let me find it. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. This is the Type-C. I bought it from AT&T. It was $9.99. Walmart.com was cheaper. We went into Walmart. Walmart didn't have it, and we didn't want to wait to order it, so we just went to the AT&T store. because it was just convenient. That's it. But we're not AT&T users. This is the port that fits in the microphone. So we're going to be using this microphone. You plug it in there, which is an adapter. Clicks in. And if I wasn't on my phone, I would plug this into my cell phone and house my cell phone into this. I don't know if I was using my camera, then I would find the port on here that says camera. Microphone. I mean, do you guys know that I can? That's a USB. On this side, it says microphone. So I'm assuming that if I was to use my camera, I probably could use this microphone. Yes, the extension. This is for my camera, my phone. But if I was going to use my camera, let's see if it'll work. Because most of the ports are the same with the exception of the Type-C. Yes, there's a port in here for a microphone. So if I was going to use my camera, then that worked. So I still have access to using my camera, a good microphone, because sound, lighting is everything, okay? Sound and lighting is everything. So I could actually hook that up to and that's why I don't use my Yeti microphone with my camera, because my Yeti microphone is a USB port. Now, I'm sure I probably could buy an adapter that would connect my USB port to my Yeti mic. Because my Yeti microphone is a USB. So I'm sure that they have a adapter that I can connect this to, that could connect it to this if I wanted to. But since I have a microphone, I don't have to use that. And I'm also excited now because I don't know if you guys watched that other video, but my lapel mic, I can now use my lapel mic with my phone, because my lapel mic has a microphone, what they call a 3.5 mm on the end. And then this goes into my phone. So I can use my lapel mic now, where I really couldn't hear myself using my USB mic when I did my ASMRs. I just was hoping that it made that good sound. But now I can make an attempt to try to do an ASMR video and see if it works. Alright guys, so that is it in a nutshell. This is what I got, an all-in-one vlogging kit. It was a Christmas gift. I am so glad that I got it. And I'm ready to use it. So I'll probably get on here and go live and play around with it and use it a little bit. I mean, it's convenient. I don't have to use my ring light. I have everything that I need. Even if we go to the restaurant, if I go to church, wherever I go to vlog, guys. Even if I'm not even vlogging, I have a studio on the go. Studio on the go. How about that? The next item that I want to purchase is a green screen that attaches to the back of my chair. So guess what? I can always have that as well. So no matter where you go, you have what you have. This was sold out on Walmart. So we looked it up and it was on Walmart.com. But I don't know where else you can get it. But of course, you know, type in all-in-one GPX all-in-one vlogging kit. I'm excited, y'all. 2 filter colors. So I didn't even use the backlight. Oh, I'm assuming you can flip this around, because you can take this off. Does anyone know what the orange lights are for? I don't know, because I even got orange lights for my ring light, but I never used it. But anyway, guys, that's it, and that is all. Thank you for sharing this time with me on this item. Check it out, get you one. I'm in love. I really am. And this is changeable. I can screw this on vertically or horizontal, which they would call this landscape mode, and then the other way would be portrait mode. So I'm excited about it. I'm excited to use it, guys. Again, don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell any and everyone you know about what's going on with your girl, in the world with your girl, Angie, in real life. Comment below. In the meantime, but teen time, what do we do? Come on. Live, baby, live. Love you guys. See ya.